Welcome to Hyper Profit. I'm Andru Edwards, and while none of this is financial advice, I want to talk about a potential shift that's happening not just in the stock market, but as a way of life in general. And these way of life changes are big indicators of where the market may be headed in the future, which is a win for long-term investors. So let's talk a bit about AMC stock, as well as Disney stock and AT&T stock. Now, why AT&T? Well, they own HBO Max, which is making bold moves in 2021 as it pertains to movie releases. But first, as always, let's get into my portfolio review and see how I'm doing in the market today. It was a pretty good day for me, as you'll see. By the way, I'll be doing even more trading here in the aftermarket. I want to pick up some more Vuzix, ticker symbol VUZI. If you want to be in the aftermarket and pre-market with the rest of us here on this channel, you will need a Webull account. I'll leave a link down in the description below. Sign up and you'll get an extra 8.5 hours of trading time every day when compared to other brokerages like Robinhood. Oh, one more thing, I have been giving away a bunch of new consumer electronic devices to followers over on my Amazon page. I will link that in the description as well. If you click over and hit follow, you will be automatically entered. All right, here we are in my public portfolio for the day. I am up about 2.5%, including 0.16% in the aftermarket. Again, great day in the market for me as far as my plays go. For the week, I am up 11.65%, which is about just over $53,000. For the month, I am down 7.1%. For the past 3 months, I am up 10.45%. For the past year, I am up 23%, and all time, I am up 22.5%. So focusing back on the day, how did your portfolio end up? Let me know in the comments down below, and feel free to hit the like button and subscribe button on the way down there so you don't miss any future videos like this one. And by the way, if you missed my recent video looking at some of my favorite long-term penny stock plays, including one that I just bought 5,000 shares of, I will leave that down below for you as well. Okay, so first let's take a look at AMC, ticker symbol AMC. It's had a fantastic day in the market, up almost 25% on news that California movie theaters will be reopening soon. It's also up 428% when compared to where it was last year, right after things started shutting down. So as a long-term hold from back then, this AMC was a great buy. Now the question is, when you take out the initial excitement of people getting to go out and do things in public again here in America, and I absolutely believe the movie theaters will see some good success here in 2021, especially over the summer. But will 2021 signal the beginning of the end for movie theaters? You see, some of the biggest and most anticipated blockbuster movies will be available to watch at home on the same day that they're released in theaters for a lot less. I also think that it's hard to put the genie back in the bottle once you release it. And people have been wanting a way to watch new movies at home, day and date, for years. 2021 is a year they actually get it, and I don't think that it's going to go away. Next, looking at AT&T, the parent company of HBO, ticker symbol T. They're currently sitting at $29.91 per share, which is down 3.5% from a year ago, but up about 4.5% from last month. I own 23 shares of this one, and I'm currently down 18.6%. Here are just some of the movies that HBO Max will be releasing to subscribers on the same day that they release in theaters: Godzilla vs. King Kong, Mortal Kombat, Dune, The Suicide Squad, The Matrix 4, Space Jam, and more. Guys, these are legitimate blockbusters that you get the same day they hit theaters, and this is included in the $15 price for HBO Max. AT&T says it expects up to 150 million subscribers for HBO Max and $15 billion in revenue by the end of 2025. Again, let me know in the comments, if you could pay $15 per month to get access to these movies, would you choose to instead pay to go to a movie theater to watch them there? I'm very curious. Let me know down below. Next, let's look at Disney, ticker symbol DIS. Disney is sitting at $196.43 per share, up 113% for the last year. Now, I bought $6,000 worth of Disney earlier today, and I am currently up 0.26%. Disney has also been releasing new movies on Disney Plus, sometimes at no additional cost to subscribers like they did with the recent release of Pixar's Soul, and sometimes at a $30 additional cost like they did with Mulan and the recently released Raya. Disney will have the catalyst of the reopening of the California and European parks, but I think the attention they're giving Disney Plus is the true signal of where this stock will go. You see, not only will we continue seeing movies released on Disney Plus, but do not miss what Disney is really doing. Disney is taking what would normally be a short form movie and they're turning them into multi-episode series. Content like WandaVision, Loki, She-Hulk, The Falcon and the Winter Soldier, these are all miniseries that will not be appearing in theaters specifically because Disney Plus exists as a destination to tell longer stories. The same goes for the Buzz Lightyear origin story and Monsters, Inc. at Work. These will be shows instead of movies, and this is going to keep bringing in the subscribers. In fact, when Disney Plus launched in 2019, Disney had hoped to hit 90 million subscribers by 2024. Instead, here we are in early 2021, and Disney has already surpassed over 100 million subscribers. Last week, Disney updated that original number and said it now forecasts 260 million subscribers in 3 years. So, as a long-term investor, I'm going to be going heavy on both Disney and AT&T. Obviously, both companies do more than just streaming, Disney being in the entertainment and theme park business, and AT&T providing cell phone service as well. Still, I like both companies. As for AMC, I do own 100 shares of that one, but I feel like that's gonna be more of a short-term or mid-term play that I'll be actively watching over the summer rather than something I just put money into and forget about long-term. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll meet you there for further discussion. Thanks so much for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andru Edwards, and I'll catch you in the next episode of Hyper Profit.